TikTok is facing bans.
And it is causing a buzz worldwide. Hi, this is Chitrang.
Hi, this is Kashish, and you're watching us on Desi in America. In today's video, we are going to talk about TikTok app.
That is preparing to possibly shut down this Sunday on the 19th of January.
So, what do you think? Is it going to be officially banned this Sunday?
Well, official news अभी तक आई नहीं है. I'm still waiting for the news by the Supreme Court. What the bill that is going to be passed, what does that have to say? But personally, in my opinion, I do not think that TikTok app is going to get banned or should be banned.
But I believe it's official now. It's going to ban on this Sunday. And I know those who are creators, influencers, and who don't even a creator or an influencer, or who just loves scrolling up all the TikTok videos, it might affect, this ban might affect you guys in some ways.
And also the fact that many TikTok creators are migrating to this new app. If you know the app, well, you have to watch other bits of the video. But if you do not know the app that all these TikTokers are migrating to, you have to watch the video till the end.
Because we are going to talk about on which app they are going to migrate.
Yes. So, बिना किसी time waste के, let's start the video. Now the question is, why is TikTok getting banned?
Okay, so first it was India. I still remember during COVID 2020, India government decided to ban TikTok. Sirf TikTok ही नहीं, it includes 58 other Chinese applications like CapCut, Shein, और मतलब वो सारी application अब नहीं चलती है इंडिया में. And the main reason was national security threat. So the concept of this getting banned is all about privacy.
Now, as we all know that the app TikTok, it is owned by a Chinese company called ByteDance, and the US government believes that this could pose a NST, a national security threat, like our data being given to the Chinese company.
Such as browsing history, or हमारी location, और हमारा personal data. So it is actually all about privacy again. So काफ़ी सारी यंग जनरेशन जो ऑडियंस है ना, मतलब इट्स लाइक इन मिलियंस. सो उन सब का जो डेटा है दैट इज गोइंग टू चाइना
according to the US government, but they don't really have that evidence to show that all the data, all the malware data of the US government is getting leaked to China and the Chinese community.
I've recently gone through with some blog. It says that all the data that is related to TikTok is going to some Oracle company that's in Texas only. The main concept is all about privacy, and that's the reason TikTok is going to ban in US as well now.
So you believe that TikTok is going to get banned?
Yeah.
What's next? What will happen to all those creators that were on TikTok?
So I remember जब इंडिया में टिकटॉक ऐप बैन हुई थी, दैट टाइम मिलियन ऑफ क्रिएटर्स, उनका जो प्राइमरी प्लेटफॉर्म था दैट्स लाइक बूम ओवरनाइट खत्म हो गया था सब कुछ. और काफ़ी ऐसे लोग मैंने देखे थे जो टिकटॉक पे दे वर लाइक अ नॉर्मल जनता, एंड लेटर ऑन नाउ दे आर ऑन टीवी सीरियल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ईशा मालविया, वो टिकटॉक पे थी, छोटी सी थी जब वो, अभी नाउ शी हैज़ डन लॉट ऑफ सीरियल्स, अभी वो बिग बॉस में आई थी. और मतलब काफ़ी, नॉट ओनली ईशा, बहुत सारे ऐसे क्रिएटर्स मैंने देखे जो टिकटॉक पे थे. उन्होंने अपना एक करियर बिल्ड करा था वहाँ पर, लोग उसे जानते थे. लाइक रियाज, रिमेंबर रियाज, एक लकी करके था, आवेज दरबार. सो देयर आर सो मैनी क्रिएटर्स जिनको हम भी फॉलो करते थे. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर जब इंडिया में टिकटॉक बैन हुआ था तो हम दुबई में थे और हम देख पा रहे थे उनकी प्रोफाइल, बट दे कांट ओपन दैट ऐप दैट टाइम. और उस समय काफ़ी लोग इंस्टाग्राम पे माइग्रेट हुए थे, और इंस्टाग्राम पे कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था रील का जब इंडिया में टिकटॉक बैन हुआ था.
एंड दैट इज वेयर ऑल्टरनेटिव एप्स कम इन. जब इंडिया में पता लगा that TikTok is getting banned, they decided that we are going to release some TikTok alike apps which work just like TikTok. But the sad reality is TikTok is the only good app, I would say, that has been here for everyone, for kids, for old people as well. Like jab bhi I wanted to know something, I wanted to research about something, I would not head to Safari or Google first and know about it. I would first go to TikTok and find out how that thing is. So I would say TikTok really played a big part of everyone's life, that especially in India that got banned. It built a lot of people's careers.
So as now it is going to ban in US. So
Hey, no. अभी official news नहीं आई है that it's going to ban
it's
US.
already 17th, bro. So now 19th is hardly 2 days. So as if you don't know, I and Chitrang, we both have created amazing content on TikTok. I mean, you can see somewhere here around on the screen. And we have done so many experiments there. We have done a lot of trending thingy there.
I still remember that one time जब हमारे 100K followers थे and due to one this दिवाली post जो हमने TikTok पे डाली थी,
और
then overnight, I repeat, overnight जब हम सुबह उठे, we found out कि हमारा TikTok account was
बैन हो
banned.
गया था बिकॉज हमने वो दिवाली के पटाखे और वो सारा बॉम्बिंग उसके बाद इट वाज लाइक नॉर्मल टिकटॉक ने नॉर्मल कर दिया था ऑल द पटाखास एंड क्रैकर्स फॉर वीडियोस बट हमारा जब टाइम था तो हमारे सारे के सारे फॉलोअर्स चले गए थे उसके बाद हमने रीबिल्ड करी थी एंड नाउ इट्स लाइक अप्रोक्सीमेटली 85,000 followers we have on TikTok. So
And it's going to be really sad to see if TikTok once again gets banned when we are about to reach 100K followers.
So the thing was when we were in Dubai, matlab it's like 4-5 months ago. We have recently shifted from Dubai to Texas, and we were in that state that now we will connect with more community as we have already connected with so many in Dubai. And they are still with us. They are, keep on commenting. So जब भी मैं live जाती हूँ वो live में आते हैं. So now I'm going to miss them all. So आज ही मैंने एक वीडियो बना के उन्हें post किया that just follow me on Instagram as well as him.
It is quite sad, but I would tell you one thing here. Let's just hope that on the 19th of January, on the Sunday when we decide to wake up and open the TikTok app, it happens not to get banned.
So yeah, hope for the best. But the thing is, I'm still in the same location, in UAE location, in TikTok settings because there are some rules I have to follow, and TikTok is not allowing me to change the location as of now. So my current location is UAE in TikTok setting, not in my phone. But let's see if I can open the app on 19th.
No,
or
wait,
not.
because I was about to ask if your region in the TikTok app is set to United Arab Emirates, then your TikTok is not going to go anywhere, right?
I'm not sure because my number is updated now. So
Well,
let's
we have
see.
to wait for it, guys.
Yeah.
Now, the impact of the TikTok ban on US creators is that they are feeling the same uncertainty.
Right. I mean, they are migrating to another applications like the subsidiary of TikTok. But उस एल्गो को वापस लेके आना और अपनी ऑडियंस के साथ रीबिल्ड करना इज वेरी टफ बिकॉज मुझे मतलब हम दोनों को ही पता है कि टिकटॉक की जो ऑडियंस है हमारी दैट्स नॉट द सेम एज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम
As on Instagram.
और जो इंस्टाग्राम की ऑडियंस है हमारी इज नॉट द सेम एज ऑन यूट्यूब आई मीन इफ यू आर वाचिंग अस you may or may not be following us on Instagram
Or TikTok.
और टिकटॉक सो काफ़ी सारे लोग जो अभी माइग्रेट कर रहे हैं उसमें से एक एप्लीकेशन बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉमन है एंड दैट्स अ हॉट टॉपिक राइट नाउ
It is the hot topic in the United States. The app is called Red Note. Xianhangshu. That is another Chinese app. While all these TikTok refugees are migrating to, it is a Chinese app. I mean, अब US क्या ही कर सकता है? If you decide that you are going to get rid of a Chinese company app, TikTok, well, all these TikTok creators, all these TikTok people, they decide to migrate to an app called Red Note, which is also a Chinese app. And in fact, I would say it is worse than TikTok because if you look, like the first thing when you open that app is, it's all in Chinese.
Yeah, because I have downloaded it and now I have removed that application
Yeah.
and the reason is that it's all Chinese.
Also, the fact that it is leaking your data more than TikTok is doing. But it is doing it to the whole public, not only to the Chinese community. Like when she opened the app, you could literally see in the bio that your IP address is literally being leaked to the entire world.
On in my bio only there is an IP address जो शायद मैं
Yeah.
use कर रही हूँ, the same IP address is there and the next part is all the people, they are from China there.
Yeah, so the Red Note, it is basically a Chinese app which helps you to understand about the Chinese culture, I would say. So I don't get the point why are Americans thinking that they can go to an app like Red Note.
Not only Americans, I mean all the nationality, they are now migrating to that application called Red Note.
Especially from United States. I was seeing Mr. Beast is on that app now, man.
Really?
Yes, he's on the
I
app.
have no idea about it.
And he is that one man from United States that is trying to save TikTok. We basically have 2 more days. The another person who's trying to save TikTok from United States, I would say, is Donald Trump. Sadly, he will be taking charge from Monday, the 20th of Jan, one day after the TikTok ban. That is a real sad thing, but he wants to talk with the Supreme Court. He wants to make sure that the Supreme Court does not give out a really bad decision, I would say, because he won by 30 votes in the youth part by Kamala Harris just because of TikTok.
Yeah.
So he will, even though in 2020 he wanted that app to get banned, and now here in 2025 he wants to save that app.
How do you plan to stop the ban on TikTok next month?
We'll take a look at TikTok. You know, I have a warm spot in my heart for TikTok because I won youth by 34 points. And there are those that say that TikTok had something to do with that. Now,
A lot of political leaders, I would say, they want to get rid of the app. Donald Trump, he is there because he knows politics. I will tell you guys that.
We don't know. So let's move on, because I have seen there are a lot of creators standing outside Supreme Court with the.
Yeah, they're protesting basically.
so they are
that save TikTok.
So yeah, I've also seen that news that where Donald Trump, he was saying that he will definitely check on TikTok ban because he got votes against Kamala Harris from youth category. So let's see, but I'm sure that it's going to impact on all the creators.
There are chances that the TikTok ban could be extended like how it happens every single year, but it's a bit too serious this time. So a senator from the Supreme Court, he had mentioned in one of the news that this TikTok ban could be extended for 270 days.
Right.
Extend the TikTok Deadline Act to extend the deadline by which ByteDance must sell TikTok or face a ban, and it should be extended by an additional 270 days.
Whereas on the other side of the news, Donald Trump also mentioned the fact that he wants the CEO of TikTok, he wants to give them a chance, the Chinese company ByteDance, he wants to give them a chance to sell the company to an American person under 30 to 60 days. Well, if that does not happen, then I'm pretty sure there are high chances of TikTok getting banned.
Yeah.
And if TikTok gets banned, then the whole America is going to go dark.
Yeah, you are right, because TikTok is not just a fun app, it's like its economy. And small creators, all the local artists, educators, उन लोगों ने काफ़ी कुछ grow करा है. I mean, I still remember जब मैं IELTS के लिए preparation कर रही थी, that time I was always there on TikTok to learn how to go with the IELTS exam, all the learning classes, all the writing classes, how to go with reading. I mean, there are so much on TikTok to explore.
Like I said in the start, that if I wanted to know something, अगर मेरे को जानना होगा तो मैं सबसे पहले Google पे नहीं जाऊँगा, मैं TikTok पे जाऊँगा.
And you know, all the trends that come first on TikTok, फिर वो Instagram पे आते हैं. And apart from this Red Note, there are other applications people are going to migrate, or you could go for it.
Well, I would not say could go for it, because the other app, one of the other app is Lemonade. People are going there thinking that it's a great choice. Wow, it's just an app like TikTok. You can download all your data on TikTok and put it on Lemonade. But man, let me tell you one thing. That Lemonade and TikTok, they have one thing in common. That is the owner. The Chinese company ByteDance also has Lemonade. So you might want to be careful migrating to that app.
So while downloading that Lemonade, I was not knowing that it's by ByteDance. So it says you are not in the same location. It means my TikTok still in UAE. So I'm safe, I guess.
I mean, like I said, we have to wait until Sunday morning to find out if everyone in the America is safe from TikTok or not.
Also, if you want to go or migrate on another app, just go to Instagram because reels काफी जगह चलने लगेंगे अब काफी अच्छे views मिलने लगेंगे. I'm damn sure about it because मेरे recent reel पे जो unknowingly मैंने post की थी, I got approximately 20,000 views.
Damn.
I was not expecting though.
Yeah, you just gave me a shock right there as well.
Apart from that, go on YouTube because YouTube के always high chances होते हैं और passive income आती ही आती है YouTube से. And
Apart from that, I would say TikTok एक ऐसी app थी. It was such a quick app. It just went boom all of a sudden, and after that boom, that app has been so successful. I think anyone wants to make money, the first thing they would do is go on TikTok to earn some money. And in fact, when we came to United States, our plan was that we have to make sure that our TikTok goes boom, so
because we also have done some paid partnership in UAE and got handsome amount.
Yeah.
So you can see some reels here. Let's flip.
It's flip inevitable. That flipping the script is just very flipping incredible. It's a flippity festival.
But it's fine, as God planned.
Yeah.
Or as government of USA planned, let's go along with them.
Man, I'm just hoping that TikTok does not get banned because I personally used to spend flipping 10 hours on this app.
And that's the reason his screen time
Is 20 hours.
limited now.
Yeah, it literally used to be 20 hours a day. My dad set it to an hour for a school day as well. I mean, how do I explain the fact that TikTok is getting banned? Just let me enjoy my last few days, my 2 days on TikTok. But dads will stay as dads, guys.
As a lot of creators, they have already migrated to Red Note. I mean, that's number 3rd app in US region now. App Store में जाएंगे तो it's on number 3. I mean, they are so smooth to giving their data to Chinese applications, but there are some more applications you can go and check it on. That's Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat. And Neptune.
Flip.
Flick is there. Flip is there, yeah. Flip.
Yep.
And Discord is there.
Personally, I believe all these apps that she mentioned will never actually replace TikTok because TikTok was TikTok, man.
I agree on it. I still remember when TikTok was banned in India, there were an app called Mextakatak,
Mojo, Josh,
and
yeah.
Chingari.
Chingari.
And I mean, they were like just okay. That's वो जो रेप्लिका था ना टिकटॉक का वो नहीं वो क्रिएट कर पाए वो बज़ नहीं थी उन एप्लीकेशन में क्योंकि हमने भी डाउनलोड
Yeah, we had tried it in Dubai, but sadly it did not give us the same vibe as TikTok because I say it again, TikTok was TikTok.
the OG.
Well, wait, what am I saying? Was? It's not banned yet. No, it's not banned yet.
Just agree on it.
Yeah, let's just hope it does
To all
not
the
get banned.
creators out there, we have one message
Yeah.
to say.
And that is,
No matter what happens, content creation is not going anywhere.
the platform might change, but the nice content will always find nice audience.
Stay positive, happy blogging, happy content creating, and we are always here.
Just for you. And remember, TikTok shall not get banned. मिलता है आपसे अपनी अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए ध्यान रखिए अपना, रब रखो.